Hey, Tim Bartz here, your Ford video guy for yet another install video here. This is going to be an easy one though. So this in here, Mabett had kind of reached out to me. You know, I did the video for them on that the Venomy top that they have that's supposed to be only available for the hard top, and I showed you how you can make it work on a soft top as well. Well, they liked that video, and so they wanted me to do some more videos on some of their products. And you can find these. I'll link them down in the description. I do have a shop on Amazon, so you can check that out, use that. So a special link for you down below. Use that to get these mats. So these here, though, aren't just the floor mats. You know that I have some floor mats already in the Bronco. This is actually a product I can't put in my Bronco. So we're going to show it off on this Bronco that I got access to here. And we'll need to take a few things out of it, but let's kind of open this up first so you can kind of see what's in there, and then we'll kind of we'll kind of put these in here. So this is mainly, from what I understand, is the mats to go on the seat backs as well as the cargo liner. So if you're looking for a cargo liner, so we do have this in here. Looks like it is the cargo liner. I can tell from those. So this is kind of a I don't know, hard plastic material, but with a textured on the other side. So it looks like it'll grip, so things won't move. We'll go and do a full review once we get it installed. That's another part of the seat back. We'll show you how it goes on, and then also this is the seat back. As well, so the 60% and the 40% side. So let's get these out, get them installed, and then give you my take on the material and how it's how well material it is and everything. So if you want to get it, you can. So let's go ahead. Don't forget to subscribe, bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of the videos. But let's get these in there. Go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and do these the floor liner here first, and of course when you warm it up, it'll kind of get the creases out of it and everything, but you can kind of see this in here has the spots for the tie downs in there, right there. So actually I'm not sure I'm doing it right. I think I'm probably got this backwards. Let me turn that around, make sure. I do have it turned around. I had it right the first time. Anyway, so put that in there because this is here. It's going to conform in there, and then it goes down and then gives you this little cover that goes over the hard plastic right there to kind of protect the interior of the vehicle. And there you go. So pretty good. It's kind of it's a hard plastic underneath, but I like the texture on the top. So it looks really nice. Cool little design. And again, if you need your tow hooks, you can still cut those out right here. So it gives you a spot to cut those out if you still need access to your tow hooks. So you don't lose that completely. So which is real nice. Now let's go ahead and I'll leave the camera here, and we'll go ahead and do the other side. Do that 60% side first. Let me just lay the seat down, and you can see this flap right here. This is that's this piece right here, and so on the back side of it there is like a Velcro. Really, I've seen other ones use that same thing. So sometimes what you can do, and we're not doing it today, but you want to maybe leave it outside. If it's hot outside, leave it outside in the heat, and that'll come out of it. But this here just is going to go on the back here, right there, and kind of go around it, and then that Velcro is just going to stick on there. I've seen other ones like that too, and it seems to do a pretty good job. And actually I have it backwards because you can see these ridges. That's actually where it folds. So you want to do it this way, right, like that, because in that way, when you go to fold it up, it goes on those ridges. So you want to really press really good there. There you go. So that's that piece there. And then this in here is going to go around everything there. And so it sticks really good. I can tell you that. It's not moving once you get it down, so make sure you get it right where you want it. And you just go right outside of those holes. Like I said, it sticks really good. Double-sided on those Velcros on one side, but it does a really good job of sticking down, and it conforms perfectly around the vehicle or the back seat and everything. Still gives you access to those latch systems right there. And then still has the cutouts, as you could see with the cutout for the release on that. but pretty good design, and that'll help protect the back. There's not a lot of companies that have a seat back. Ford doesn't make a rear seat back protector like this. So this comes together with the seat backs, and the mat is what they ship to me, and I believe that comes together. So if you want to protect your cargo area, this would be a good way of going. So let me put the other one in. Go ahead and get it just right. So there's a cutout for that right there. You actually want to go to the top. Wow, there's a piece at the top that really gets it down. Right to the edges, and then goes right around that. And it goes down on the seat back. So pretty good job on that. Really, like I said, you got to really pull on it, and it's going to really protect it. And then this in here, don't forget the ridges go to the bottom. Right there, get that on. And then that way that flap can bend with those ridges right there and then go back up. So there you go. So looks pretty good. Pretty good material. Like I said, this little fold right here will come out with heat if you leave them outside first before you put them in there, especially these hot summer days. It'll do that. So check them out. Like I said, link down below in the description for the Amazon link for these through my Amazon shop store. So check it out there. I am an affiliate with Amazon as well, so that way you can check that out. I also have a link if you want to go right to their website too. All those should be down below, but pretty good. I mean, you know what? I mean, these are pretty good shape. Mabett does sell a lot of other products, so we're going to keep reviewing. They're going to keep sending me some more products to review and see what I think. But I do think these are pretty good alternative if you're wanting something for your cargo. Seat backs especially. There aren't a lot of companies doing seat backs, so if you're wanting to protect those, I fold mine down all the time and put things in there. It's a great way to protect them right there. So make sure you're subscribed, bell notification turned on for more videos like this, more installs and reviews. So until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you later.